Hey, this is Old Brim and Aton Wish. We're here at Hound Comics Corporate. Wanted to make sure to give you the 411 on what's going on Hurricane Irene.
Right now, Hurricane Irene is at a Category 3.
It's raining!
Plowing through the Bahamas, making its way to the United States. We should start to see the rain and all the mayhem happen starting on Friday in North Carolina. New York, we're going to be experiencing this hurricane between Sunday and Monday. So get ready for some heavy winds, rain, some trees might be falling down, and there might even be some power outages.
We want to make sure that all our friends, family, and fans make sure to take care of yourself. Be prepared. Make sure you have candles, water, canned food, and make sure you take care of the elderly.
That's right.
I like old people.
Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.
Remember, stay safe, stay dry.